Who knew that an 18th century clock could keep someone up at night thinking about it? But William, you had that experience, and now the Nelson-Atkins has the clock.
Yes, Kathleen, I saw that clock several years ago, and I kept thinking about that clock and ruminating on it and losing sleep over the passing of time that we didn't have the clock.
Passing of time, I get it.
Yeah, and finally I was able to bring the clock in as an acquisition for the museum so everybody else could understand why I lost sleep.
It's simply gorgeous.
It's amazing. It is in the shape of an obelisk or a pyramid, and it has lots of different materials, from gilding to painted glass to and it works.
And the exterior is very beautiful, and the interior is pretty plain. And that's the opposite of an English clock.
Yeah, the French are all about the surface appearances, not the inside. And that's just very French. And God love them. They make beautiful things, including this clock.